Cam Reddish.
My name is Keldon Johnson.
I'm DeAndre Hunter.
I'm Jared Cover. I'm on the path to the Cal.
I might keep the hat. I mean, it's a special moment in our life, so I might keep it.
And then when do you see it? Is it the clear box in the house? Is it
clear box, of course.
clear box
in the living room?
There's been a lot of attention on you, a lot of press. What are you doing, like, to just keep that peace with yourself and that keep your surroundings safe, just for yourself?
Yeah. Well, I have a great family. I have a great core group of people that I've known for a long time, and that they keep me grounded.
I mean, that means everything to me. I've always dreamed about it, walking up on stage, putting on the hat, shaking the commissioner's hand. So that's always been a dream of mine. So it's gonna be really crazy.